So let's create a Facebook pixel that we can use on our Shopify or e-commerce website. Head over to Ads Manager. You want to click the drop down, All Tools, Assets, Pixels. And now you want to create a pixel. And as you can see here, the Facebook pixel tracks, optimizes, and targets, allows you to create audiences from people who've converted on your store or lookalike audiences. Create a pixel. Pixel name is going to be Mermaids Are Awesome FB Pixel 1. Next. Okay, if you're using one of these, BigCommerce, Google Tag Manager, Magento, Segment, Shopify, Squarespace, Wix, WooCommerce, and many more, you can learn more here, click the Use an Integration or Tag Manager. And then click whichever you're using. I'm using Shopify in this course. And it will show you where to paste the Facebook pixel. I'm also going to show you now. You click Online Store, Preferences, and Facebook pixel right here. And you just paste the number in. You'll have been given a number just here. This is my pixel ID. So copy that and just paste it in. Save. And then you want to check your pixel status, but as it says, it can take up to 20 minutes for it to be active. If your pixel status reports no activity yet, your pixel isn't working. And just check that you've pasted the correct ID in to the right place.